It's on! Oh yeah? No way! Gold forever! No silver! Uh-oh! Ow! Whoa! What?
Huh?
What just happened? You think I know? Ugh! Ugh. Always on her phone. I love him. Miss you. Oh! What's this? A special delivery? From my sweetheart? I'm so… Ah! Jeez, that scared me. Startled by my own beauty. What's all this for? Weird. Oh! I have the best idea! First, we need some long sticks. Now use hot glue to stick them to the back of the mirror. Yep, you'll need lots. Enough to go all the way around. Now stick a mirror in the middle. Paint time! Everything's prettier in silver. Wow! Simply stunning. What do you think? Looks pretty good right here. Don't need this. Ow! That hurt! Hey, wait! What about… me? Ah! That was scary. It came with a glue gun? Cool! I know just how to use it. First, I need a big circle. See how I'm lining it with hot glue? Wow, look at those drips. Let's bring those things to life. That's what I'm talking about. Perfection! And it should fit the mirror perfectly. Ready? Ta-da! My golden treasure! And I have just the spot! Yay! I love it! So we meet again. Yep. Huh. No one has a golden glow like mine. And I'm gonna shine tonight. With some help from my friends. Time to make it rain. Wow, it's fantastic! Nothing says elegance like gold flakes. Especially when it's in your makeup. Just look at this stuff. Time to sparkle it up. So pretty. Anything fun I can use? I've gotta have something. I just have to capture it for myself. Huh. Glitter me. Oh yeah, that's just it. Is there anything better? I need something it can stick to. Enter petroleum jelly. This stuff's perfect. Just put it onto your skin. And your glitter can sit right on top. See? It won't even fall off. I'm like a glittering goddess. Wow! But I still need… Oh! I know where I can put it. This'll make my eyes sparkle even more. This look is pure fire. There's no such thing as too much. And to prove it, I'm putting it in my eyebrows. Hello, gorgeous. It's perfect. Wow, look at that. Okay. Wow, this is stunning. I'm so gonna win. But not with these dry lips. Ugh. Let's see what I have here. How old are these things? What? Okay, this shade is way better. But it needs a little something. Oh. I'll just buy it. What about this? Wow! Bingo! Gimme some of that! It worked! Look at the stars! And on the black lipstick, it's like the gorgeous night sky. Right on my face. Amazing! And you? Huh? How'd you get those? Hold on. Perfect. I only need this guy. The perfect pout is on the way. Metallic magic. That sheen. I need more. Glitter, do your thing. This stuff never lets you down. See how this pucker pops? Definitely. You ready to lose? Oh, please. At least you have confidence. No, just fashion sense. But I could use some shoes. right there with ya. Ugh! What do we do? I don't have anything gold! Ugh! Nope! Why is this happening? No! Black pumps? Okay. White boots? I guess these can work. Wait, I got it! Golden jewels to the rescue! And some metallic spray paint. Nice! Now for the fun part. My jewels never let me down. Okay, feeling good. Looking good, too. No! She can't win this! My earrings, of course! You have your jewels, and I have mine. Ta-da! Shag perfection! Come on, squeeze! Phew! Okay, they're on. And you're doomed. We'll just see about that. Hi! Hello, everyone. Talk about gold and glowing. More like silver and sparkling. I feel fabulous. And look it, too. Okay, now for the moment of truth. Hello? Oh, move. Huh? Who will win? A silver queen or a golden goddess? Well… Oh, I crown myself. Ah! My girls. No way! You can't do that! Well, I just did.
Make way for the queen!
Aww, and ew! I need disinfectant wipes.
Unboxing time!
Let's see.
Wow! Dollhouses for both of us!
So cool! I love it already! This has so much potential.
Couldn't agree more. I'm already getting ideas myself. My Barbie is ready to move in.
Oh yeah? My Ken belongs in here. Alright, welcome to your new home, buddy. Are you for real?
Yeah, I kinda hate it too. We need a renovation list.
Whoa! Look at that checklist. Ken does not hold back.
Looks like we're gonna have to upgrade everything. How fun!
I wasn't aware they had magic.
It's official. We are in a challenge.
Alright, game on.
Roof comes first. Brainstorming here. Aha! I know what to do.
What?
Magic!
Give me!
No, it's gold, which means it's mine.
Fine.
Stress eating, I see. I get it. It's because you know I'll win. I mean, look at my roof. Ain't no way anyone can top this. That one was extra. Hey!
What? Huh? Wow. Okay, my turn to shine. This will both add shine and insulation. Clever, right? The best part? It's so easy to work with. Done. Look.
I admit, it's not bad. We'll be the judge.
Quality control. Many things to consider. Interesting choice.
It's shiny. I like shiny. There's something here.
Come on now. Don't keep us waiting.
Love.
Approved.
I'm so glad. What's next? Windows and walls.
Okay. Walls and windows really define the space.
I want it to feel bright, open, and luxurious. What's happening?
Strike a pose. Yeah.
Whoa. Can I borrow the camera?
Nuh-uh. Cheese.
Ugh, rude. Bring me the thing.
Here.
Do it. Show him.
Gladly.
What? Whoa. Are you talking about?
Better I show it than explain.
Wow. I need that to be mine.
If you hand me the camera…
Take it.
I knew he would come around.
Haha, worth it.
Yay! Bestie selfie! Hey, let's take a selfie together.
Wait, I'll fix my hair. Never mind, I always look cool.
Wow, these photos are amazing. This one's my favorite. No, wait, this one. And printing. Well, these are going straight on the wall. I'm adding a few more. Here it is, the wall of memories. Wow, You get me.
Happy to make you happy.
Huh? What? Oh, you mean this? That's a great idea. I'll get myself a new golden bracelet later. This one's my gift for Barbie's new home. And this one, and this one. My Barbie deserves only the best. The chains will catch the sunlight and make everything feel warmer.
Huh? Hello? Yeah, 360! What? The challenge? Remember? Oh, right. Don't worry. Your curtains will be ready in no time. This will give the house a modern feel. Making something sleek and futuristic to suit your vibe. All done. Told you I could do it quickly. It is low-key giving club vibes. Gotta make one more for the second window. It's not enough. I want that. Huh? My disco ball? Oh, wait. Okay, I see the vision. Mirror, mirror on the wall. Haha. The mirrors are gonna bounce the light everywhere. And hey, mirrors make the space feel bigger. This is decoration rule number 1.
Walls and windows? Check.
We're getting really good at this.
I say we're pros already.
Yay! And looks like they agree.
Yeah! What do we have next? The living room. Well, it needs to be cozy and dripping in gold. Literally. Take this too! Why not? More is more. Let's do this properly. Safety first. This is how you build a throne. I'm not playing around. We're going custom. Mission couch completed. Comfort meets couture. This just elevated the whole room. More gold? Always. Details matter. Well, she needs an actual throne too. And that's how you finish a room. Wait, it's missing something. The chandeliers are the crowns of the room. The whole area is so well lit. And, everything is so perfect. I can't wait to have guests over in my new living room.
Cool. Huh? Don't be mad. I'm thinking. The pressure is too much. Panicking isn't helping. Wow, maybe it does. Because I have an idea. A solid gold couch? No thanks. Nobody's back can survive that. This is way softer and smaller. You're always complaining. Okay, I see your point. I can easily make it bigger. See? Done. So, how about now? Much better. Let's decorate the rest of the room. Everything needs to match, duh. I'm building a whole aesthetic here. The room will be the hangout spot for all the cool people. Finished! I'm so proud of this. This room is made for parties. And obviously, I'll be the star of every single one.
Well, Barbie's room is all about elegance and royalty. Yes! One by one, we're crossing them off.
Bedroom's next!
Oh, okay. Why is it suddenly so hot in here?
Must be something wrong with the AC. Yeah, I was right. Let me try to fix it. It's not working. Wait a minute. Where's Ken? Huh? Where did you get those? And it's my favorite flavor. Hey, sharing is caring. Oops, no more left. Ugh, you're so rude. Well, apparently it was ant-sized. Anyway, let's make it bigger and use it for crafting the coziest bed ever. I have the power to duplicate things. Simple materials, smart design. That metallic finish gives it a futuristic touch. And an open wardrobe for Ken's stylish clothes. It will make it so much easier to pick the outfit of the day. I'm loving this setup so much.
My turn. Let's browse. Oh, wow. This is definitely a need. Yeah, this can't miss these two. If it's shining, it's ours.
Awesome!
Incredible! Everything looks just right.
Yay! Thanks!
Aw, hooray! We only have one more thing left on the list. Hey!
Huh?
What?
Whoa! Did he really just order all that? You bet I did. Don't keep us waiting. You may begin. Chop, chop.
You got it.
Don't touch the silvers. They're mine.
And the gold stone's mine.
These look like they are pieces of moonlight.
And these like sunlight.
I'm almost done.
Well, same. And ta-da!
The yard still needs something.
I know what.
Wow, good thinking. And I'll add some silver shining diamonds. Voila, gemstone magic. So, what do you guys think? You like it?
Come on, tell us already.
Well, I for one think we really did a great job.
I agree. Let's hope they agree as well.
Just look at these details.
Yep, we really put so much thought and effort into them.
I think it's perfect. Phew!
Home sweet home. Yay!
Congrats!
Great job, honestly. We completed every task. What a challenge.
It was so fun!